All in the class of S-Cube tutorials. Today we will discuss about what are prime numbers. In our earlier session we had discussed about even numbers, odd numbers, whole numbers and natural numbers. So today's topic is prime numbers. What are these prime numbers is? Prime numbers are the whole numbers which are greater than 1. Why I am saying greater than 1? Because 1 is not a prime number. Why? Most of the people think that 1 is also a prime number, but 1 is not, because the definition says that prime number is a number that has exactly two positive factors. Exactly two positive factors in which one of the factor is 1 and second one is the number itself. Suppose I take an example of 3. If you find out the factors of 3, then this 3 is divisible by 1 and 3 itself. No other number will divide this 3. So there are two factors of 3. So this 3 is a prime number. In place of 3, if I take 6 and we find out the factors of 6, then it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, 3, 6. So these are the factors of 6. So as per the definition of prime number, which is the prime number is a whole number which is greater than 1 and that has exactly two positive factors, which is one of the number is 1 and the number itself. So these are the two factors a prime number should have. Now when you understood the definition of prime number, we will think of some methods how to find out the prime numbers. Okay, so I have already told you that if you have some numbers, you take out the factors of the number, and in that way you get to know whether that number is a prime number or not. 9 is not a prime number because 9 is having a 3 factors, 1, 3 and 9. Okay, so 9 is also not a prime number. The second thing which you have to understand is every prime number is always greater than 2. 2 is a prime number and every prime number is greater than 2 and all the numbers would be odd. Numbers greater than 2 which are even are not prime numbers. They have factors more than 2. But all the numbers, the odd numbers which are greater than 2, the prime numbers which are greater than 2 are always odd numbers. So if we have to find out a shortcut method how to identify a number is a prime number or not, what we will do, if it is 1, if the number is 1, I had already told you that it is not a prime number. If it is 2 or 3, it is again, it's a prime number. Okay, if it is even, if any number is even number except 2, then it's not a prime number. As I have already told you, even numbers are not a prime number except 2. Okay, 2 is the only even prime number which we have. The smallest even prime number or the only prime number which we have, even prime number we have as 2. Okay, now look for the other methods also. If any number ends with 5, except 5, okay, if any of the number which ends with 5 except 5, then that number is also not a prime number. So this is another way of finding the prime number. If any number ending with 5 except 5 is not a prime number. We also know the divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3 says sum of digits divisible by 3. If the sum of digits are divisible by 3, then we say the number is divisible by 3. Okay. So if any number whose digits are, if we add the digits of that number and that number comes out to be such that it is divisible by 3 except 3, then those numbers are also not prime number. Okay. So in this way we can find out the prime numbers. I hope you have understood today's topic. We will come back with some other interesting topic in the next session. Till then, bye.